Are you dealing with water damage in Fairless Hills? Look no further than Restoration Specialists. Water Damage Restoration. Our team of experts is here to help you get your home back to its pre-loss condition. At Restoration Specialists, Water Damage Restoration, we specialize in water damage restoration in Fairless Hills, Pennsylvania and its surrounding areas. Our comprehensive services include water extraction, structural drying, mold remediation, and more. Our team is certified by the Institute of Inspection, Cleaning and Restoration Certification, IICRC, which means we have the expertise to handle any water damage situation. We use the latest equipment and techniques to ensure your property is restored quickly and efficiently. Our water damage restoration process in Fairless Hills begins with a thorough inspection to assess the extent of the damage. From there, we develop a customized plan to address your unique needs. We work with you every step of the way to ensure your satisfaction. We understand that dealing with water damage can be stressful, which is why we will work with you to make the process as smooth as possible. We handle all the paperwork and communication so you don't have to. Don't wait to address water damage in your Fairless Hills home. Contact Restoration Specialists, Water Damage Restoration today at 609-669-2155. Or visit our website at www.restoration-specialist.com/services/water-damage to schedule a consultation. We look forward to working with you and restoring your home to its pre-loss condition.